All right, so these were our points, right? We had 4 comma 2, remember? 4 comma 2 and negative 2, negative 1. Okay, 4 comma 2, let's figure out where that goes. Oops, we don't want that. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 4 comma 2, and then we're going to go negative 2, negative 1. So we're going to go 1, 2, 1. Now, y equals 1/2 x plus 0. Well, let's graph that. We start at 0. We go up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. Up 1 over 2. And if I kept doing that forever and ever and ever and ever, what would I have? I would have a line. I would have a line that looked like this. And perfect. It passes through this point, and it passes through that point. Perfectly done. So what did it say to do? It said to find the equation. It said to find the equation. And have we done that? We sure have. The equation is y equals 1/2 x plus 0. Okay, you don't have to graph it. I just graphed it to show you that we did it right, but you do not have to graph it. Example number 2, what's an equation of the line that passes through the points negative 5, comma 0 and 1, comma 6? So, my baby my baby didn't walk out here. My wife brought her out here. Hi, baby. Hi, Ellie. She just smiled at me. Okay, so I got to find the slope, and then I can find the y-intercept. So, x, y, x, y. I'm going to start with this one. Why not? 6 minus 0 over 1 minus negative 5. Okay, 6 minus 0, 6. Minus a negative, minus a negative, minus a negative becomes positive. Did I just hear you say that out loud? 1 plus 5, 6. Oh, look at this, 6 over 6. 6 over 6 becomes 1. 6 over 6 becomes 1. Now, let's just look at something that I said earlier. Where are we at? Are we on this page? I think so. I said that m is a number, and I said it's usually a fraction. Okay? I said it's usually, if you don't believe me, rewind the video. I said it's usually a fraction. We could write 1 over 1. We could write 1 over 1, but we don't have to. Okay? It's not always a fraction, so I'm just going to leave it like this. All right, so now I've got y equals 1x plus b. And I've taken my slope. I've put my slope into the equation. And now I just need to put one of the points into the equation. I'm not going to do both points this time because I proved to you on the last example, I proved to you that both points give you the same answer. Oh, forget it. I'll do both of them. I'll do this one first. 6 equals 1 times what goes in there? X, 1, plus b. 6 equals 1 times 1 is 1, plus b. Subtract 1, subtract 1. B equals 5. Okay, I'm doing them both. So now I'm putting in these. 0 equals 1 times negative 5 plus b. 0 equals 1 times negative 5 is negative 5 plus b. Add 5 so that it cancels on this side. B equals 0 plus 5. Look at that. Look at that. That's what I'm saying. So my equation, y equals 1x plus 5. There we go. There we go. Or I could write y equals 1 over 1x plus 5. Those are the same. Those are the same. All right. So there's going to be one more problem that I'm leaving up there for you to do. And if you need to, take some time, go back, watch those two examples again. Lesson 1 was very similar to this. Lesson 1 taught you how to get the slope. Lesson 2 teaches you how to get the equation. Thank you again for watching. I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. For those of you who celebrate Christmas, I hope you have a very happy, safe New Year, and I'll see you next week. Here is your practice problem.